Hi there. I'll be traveling to El Salvador in April, and I needed a personal item bag to carry my camera gear as I travel on the plane. And I think I found the perfect one. Today we're going to be talking about the Tenba DNA 16-inch slim messenger bag. Let's get to it. The trend nowadays is to carry everything you can with you on board instead of storing it underneath the plane, with the potential of that bag getting lost. With that in mind, storage and the amount of items you could bring is dramatically reduced. As a photographer, there is no way I'm letting my gear get out of sight. So finding the perfect bag to carry your gear is essential. And that's why I'm excited to review this Tenba messenger bag to see if it's the right fit. The Tenba DNA 16-inch slim messenger bag is a sleek and stylish option for carrying your camera and other equipment. The bag, it's designed to be lightweight and durable, making it perfect for traveling or carrying around town. The bag features a padded interior that can hold up to a 16-inch laptop. There's also a removable padded camera insert. It easily slides out to convert to a bag for general purpose, at basically no photo use. When you remove it, it doesn't affect the rear sleeve, so the bag can still be used to carry a laptop and a tablet. Inside the padded insert, it has adjustable dividers that allow you to customize the interior to fit your specific gear. Since we're on the topic of gear, it can fit a mirrorless or DSLR camera with 4 to 6 lenses, plus some flashes and accessories, along with a laptop up to 16 inches and a tablet up to 11 inches like the Apple iPad. Some other features of this Tenba it has numerous pockets and compartments for storing your accessories and personal items. It has a new design of the magnetic fidlock buckle. This allows you to easily access your gear without having to fumble with a traditional buckle or zipper. It works really well and is quite satisfying. It snaps on like this very easily, and the way to remove it is just slide it to the left. And the buckle, it does seem strong enough to keep your gear secure. The exterior of the bag is made from water-resistant material, and it has a waterproof base. Its TPU-coated and seam-sealed base makes it a complete waterproof bottom, so you can safely put the bag down on any wet surface. In addition, the bag comes with a removable rain cover for extra protection. It has a quick access top zipper. Without opening up the front flap, you can easily access your bag while keeping the inside hidden in the process. Speaking of the flap, it has what they call it whisper hook closure. The flap can be opened fairly quietly by pulling it straight down on the flap before pulling it away from the bag. It's fairly comfortable to wear thanks to its adjustable shoulder strap with a non-slip memory foam pad. It also has an extra security strap as it anchors the bag in position that prevents it from sliding forward. Lastly, it has a reflective material on the front flap. The slim messenger bag is a great option for air travel. Its compact size and slim profile make it easy to fit under the seat in front of you or in the overhead compartment. I was looking at the Pro version of this bag, but it didn't fit the personal item size chart. However, it does work for carry-on. Both bags have the trolley strap, which will be a welcome addition to fit on my other carry-on luggage. This bag is also lightweight, so it won't add much extra weight to your carry-on allowance. Now on to the weight. I'm not too sure which lenses I want to bring yet for this trip because this is about being on holidays. So I do want to try to keep it as light as possible. I was thinking about bringing 3 out of the 4 lenses for my Nikon Z6 II. The 20mm 1.8G lens for the night sky and wide shots. The 28mm 2.8Z lens is basically a very light lens, and I can use that for street photography. The 105 macro Z lens, it's basically for macro and for portraits as well, so I can get that nice bokeh. And lastly, for sure, I'm going to be bringing this one, the 24 to 120 f4Z lens. It's basically an overall general purpose use, and I'm going to be using it for when I go hiking to the volcano. I actually have a question for you traveling photographers out there. What are your go-to lenses when you travel? And how do you carry your gear? Let me know in the comments. Overall, the Tenba DNA 16-inch slim messenger bag is, I think, an excellent option for photographers who need a durable and reliable bag to carry their gear with you under your seat on the plane. With its lightweight design, customizable interior, and numerous pockets, it's sure to meet my needs. If you want more content like this, subscribe today, as I'll be having tech reviews and travel-related content like El Salvador coming up in the pipeline. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.